Hey, it's Rob, Robert Owen Jewelers. Got some new Tissot watches in today. We're going to do a little quick unboxing for you. We're looking today at the Visodate by Tissot. It's in a blue dial, 316L stainless steel casing and mesh bracelet. You see the sapphire crystal after I clean my fingerprints off of it real well here. It's a 40mm casing. It's got a 20mm lug for the bracelet. It is interchangeable to leather or mesh or metal or a NATO strap even. The blue dial really will showcase anything that you wear. You'll notice the case back is sapphire case back open, so you get to see the rotor, which is actually what winds the watch to allow you to maintain a 40-hour power reserve. So once the watch is resting on your counter or your nightstand, or if you're just reclining watching YouTube, you'll be able to keep the proper time. So come and see us, Robert Owen Jewelers, 376 Perkins Extended, or any of the other 4 locations. Jeremy's going to put the addresses and phone numbers at the end.